Would you like to earn $200 to $600 daily like clockwork? How about an internet business that actually works for average people? How about a global opportunity available in over 180 countries? Are you sick and tired of joining endless programs that fail to produce results and don't even last a year? Do you want to withdraw your earnings anytime you want, even daily? How about earning commissions of $45, $50, $200, and $500 without you even having to make the sale? Do you have $1 to get started? Can you copy and paste? Can you follow simple instructions? If you can't sponsor, recruit, or make sales, this might be the perfect solution for you. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's 100% legit. A revived compensation model that was lost and forgotten about has been rediscovered. Perpetual leverage. The most powerful compensation plan ever designed. You can get paid even when you don't make the sale. This is virtually affiliate marketing turned upside down. Excited to know more? Click the link below and be prepared to get excited. See you at the other side.